Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of passive income, whether you're from the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, or Australia. The strategies you'll learn today are tailored for your financial landscape. Passive income is money you earn with minimal daily effort. It's the key to achieving financial freedom and escaping the traditional 9-to-5 grind. In the next 2 hours, we will explore proven income streams, share actionable tips, and reveal tools that can help you start building your own passive income empire today. Grab a notebook or open your notes app. You won't want to miss a single strategy. Section 1. Digital products. Digital products are one of the most accessible and scalable forms of passive income. These include ebooks, online courses, printables, design templates, and more. The best part? You create them once and sell them repeatedly. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Teachable make it easy to get started. Use Canva or Adobe Express to design your product. If you're not sure what to create, start by identifying a problem in your niche and offering a digital solution. Example: printables for teachers in the US and UK, budget planners for millennials in Canada, small business templates for Australian entrepreneurs. Tools you need: Canva free, paid BookBolt. For a book creation, Teachable or Podia. For course hosting. Section 2. YouTube automation. Faceless YouTube channels can generate thousands of dollars monthly through AdSense, affiliate marketing, and digital product sales. Start a channel in a niche like Motivation USA and UK audience finance, high CPM in Canada. Study with me. ASMR popular in Australia. Use tools like Pictory or InVideo for video creation. MURF.ai or E11 Labs for voiceover. Check for scripting. Focus on consistency, keyword optimization, and using attention-grabbing thumbnails. Section 3. Real estate passive income. Real estate is a time-tested path to wealth. You can earn rental income or invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts with minimal management. Best platforms: Fundrise US, Wealth Simple, REITs Canada, Property Partner UK. Bricks Australia. Buy-to-let property, house hacking, and short-term vacation rentals are popular in these countries. Use property managers or urban co-hosts for true passive income. Section 4. Dividend Investing. Dividend-paying stocks provide regular income without selling your investments. Use apps like Robinhood or Fidelity USA, Wealth Simple Canada, Freetrade UK. Stake Australia. Look for blue-chip companies with a consistent dividend history. Reinvesting dividends drip can compound your wealth over time. Section 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. You can do this through blogs, YouTube, email, newsletters, social media. Top networks: Amazon Associates, Share Sale, ClickBank, PartnerStack. Local affiliate examples: UK, John Lewis, Argos Australia, Kogan, My Deal Canada, Canadian Tire, Indigo. Create content that helps people make buying decisions. Section 6. Print on demand and dropshipping. With Print on Demand Pod, you upload designs and earn money when someone buys a shirt, mug, or hoodie. Use Printful, Printify, Redbubble, Teespring for dropshipping. Shopify Plus DSCRs. WooCommerce Plus Spocket focus on niche markets with targeted ads for your region. Section 7. Mobile apps and microtasks. Create simple apps with no-code tools and monetize with ads or in-app purchases. Glide apps at Bubble. You can also earn passively with apps like Honeygain, Nielsen Panel, Swagbucks, Cashback. Section 8. Bundling and reusing content. Repurpose your content across platforms. Blog plus YouTube plus podcast, ebook plus video course plus webinar. Bundle related products and offer as packages for higher perceived value. Section 9. Final tips and recap. Let's summarize. Choose 1 to 2 passive income streams and go deep. Focus on consistency, automation, and value creation. Reinvest profits into scalable systems. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment your favorite passive income idea below. Check our description for a free starter toolkit and recommended platforms. Stay financially free and see you in the next video.